This is change ICP forever. So Internet Computer ICP is changing its tokenomics, and previous model was the 100% of revenue going to the node providers. But now with the new model and the new upgrades, the 80% going to providers and 20% of revenue of ICP will be burned. And of course, it's reduced the supply. So it's amazing. And definitely it affects the price in the future, not immediately, right? But for the future, I think if everything will be okay with ICP and this token will be stay with us on centralized exchanges, with the market rebound, when we will see the new cycle for the altcoins, I think the ICP can be the top performer. It's not like a shale or something. No, guys, it's just a fact. And of course, many people claim so the ICP is a scam. The same like the people talk about a Polkadot, about the Algorand, about HBAR, about the VeChain, but it's just market cycles. And unfortunately, the geopolitical affect the market so much. And I think in the future, when the station will be more stable in the world, right? I think with the mass adoption, ICP will be one of the top player on this crypto field. So what is good and what is bad now, based on the chart with my indicator set, guys. We retested here in February 24, the buy line on the daily. So this line we can delete it. It was the 50%, by the way, of this week. What I showed you, we'll come back and retest. Now, usually what we form is this price section. So we got like impulse, correction, impulse, correction. Now it can be the impulse, another correction, or lower than this low. So approximately, would be good to see the ICP around the $2. So at $2, I think it will be the more than comfortable price to buy for a spot, even for a spot. Of course, it's kind of risky now to hop in because if the BTC will go down to, let's say, the 50K or 42K in this year, definitely the ICP can be even under $1 again, right? We can't know the fact because the many tokens already dump and sweep the low of Donald Trump dump. But I hope this token will hold the line around $2. Just sweep this liquidity pool main ones. Hold the line here, $1.97 and rebound. 2, take profit line $3.88 and exit line $4.40. I highly recommend you just add alerts to these indicators because take profit playing out perfectly well in previous cycles. So on the weaker time frame here, the take profit line is around the downtrend line, what we added here in Zone 25 at 830. So sooner or later, anyway, we will come back and test at 830. But this is at current moment. That's why I recommend you to add alert to the line. Let's add it to, because the lines are dynamic. Take profit line, take profit indicator, take profit line. So this one. When we will see the price around the buy, take profit line, we'll get a notification. So it's easy to trade and it gives us a lot of additional data. Now on the weekly time frame, 2 weeks in a row here in February, it was some accumulation, now nothing. So last 2 weeks without accumulation. So kind of risky to hop in now. That's why better wait of middle of March. And after that, take an action. That's why on the daily time frame, I rather to see $1.98 test, maybe even the tests of $1.72 on the 12 time frame, the buy line. I'm gonna add alert to the buy line on 12 time frame to reduce the risk. If the ICP will not drop to these levels, I will be more than happy for everybody who hop in now. No signal of money inflow based on money power indicator, unfortunately, guys. On 12 time frame, daily time frame, also we at the top. That's why I think we will see something like this one, at least drop to the middle line, consolidation. This is what I wish to see. And something like this one and recover move. Maybe build some like local double bottom and going higher. Now no money inflow on daily or on 12 time frame. Even on 4 time frame, there is no money inflow. The last signal to sell was here. This is a buyback, but usually we need to wait the signal take profit. Take profit when we need to close all short position. And I think we can see something like this one. $2.20, take profit, and drop even to grab all of this liquidity, close the pools. And take a look, guys, with the direction indicator. Trade on, we can close. Take profit, we can close. Money power, we can close. Direction also, guys, no signal for accumulation even on the 4-hour time frame. So it's kind of risky to hop in now. Just better wait. Just better wait, because no positive news from the macro. But yesterday I showed you S&P 500 usually perform like 1% a day up since middle of March, usually. So it's not have to repeat again, but in average from 1950, the middle of March, it's usually positive for the S&P 500. That's why I think that for the BTC, we can see one more dump. It's more than okay. Now BTC at 67,300. And honestly, I wish to see the 59. I don't think so. We will drop that low. But 62.59 will be perfect entry for the BTC and for alts also. So direction, no signal of accumulation. A daily time frame, no signal of accumulation. A weekly time frame, a sum of accumulation was like 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row. Sum of accumulation, but last time it's playing out here, like March till June, before we pump this one. Before we pump here, 42%, right? Of course, after that, we saw the Donald Trump dump. Thanks, Mr. President, and bounce. But anyway, sooner or later, we will retest this downtrend line, and this liquidity pool will be swept. Let's take a look, guys, with market mood. What's going on now with the sentiment around the ICP here? This is a total disbelief on daily time frame. This belief here was a capitulation, and by end of February, now it's a positive. So if we use the daily time frame and the FIB, local FIB, like this one in average. So we try hold the line. Let's use the magnet. Try hold the line around 0.5 level by FIB. So this one. So correction to $2.17, $2.11 is more than okay. So to close this daily gap. And after that, I think this price action can be like an entry. For example, with the stop loss under this low. It's about a futures. For the spot, of course, you can start accumulate even now, step by step. So here, like 7%, 14 with the second leverage. We will see. We'll see. I added alerts. I'll recommend for you to do the same and wait the entry. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write this in a comment what you think about this burn, 20% burn idea. Will it affect the price of ICP in the future or not? If you'd like to trade as my customer, like I said, we're showing in this video. Just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.